Huh? No, you don't. Are you kidding me? Stop it! Stay down. Whew. Yeah! That does it! You're gonna stay down whether you like it or not.
That's what you get for making a house out of cardboard. I'll add a window so I don't miss that golden hour.
Hey, I want a window too. I want the fences home,
on my way.
and I want it now. Oh well, any ideas?
A couple.
I just want it expensive.
Say no more. What color do you want for the walls?
Oh, how exciting! They're all so nice, but my heart says only one thing. Pink!
Great choice.
It's perfect! You can just feel how expensive it is.
Only the best materials for you. I can't finish up here without a window. You know what? Make that two. What do you think?
It's just what I wanted. Bravo! Here is your payment.
Whoa! This can feed me for life.
Bye!
I won't stay put. You leave me no choice.
No! Here, take my money. Take it all.
Now let's put windows on this thing. Oh, it's gorgeous.
You know what this house is missing? Lights! I'll stick a LED strip below the roof. Pink lights are the way to go.
Haha! Did somebody say lights?
Turn it on! Somebody!
Can't even turn the lights on yourself?
Oh, great! I should call the gardener. Hello?
Yeah.
Oh, come here.
You need plants together? Here's some rare golden palms, all the way from the Amazon.
Wow! Awesome! I'll pay you a generous amount for them. Put it on the card.
Payment accepted. Till next time.
It's all coming together.
Gold plants? She has everything. Maybe I can plant my own. Ew! That's disgusting! Hey, you are used to dirt, right? Can you put soil in the pots?
Oh, sure. I'll take a handful and drop them in. Your plants are gonna be thriving.
You can go now.
Hug?
At least clean your hands first.
Oh, I like them dirty. You did not have to do that.
Go be dirty somewhere else. Time to get to work. I may not have gold plants, but I have the prettiest flowers on the block. And that's better than gold. Now all I have to do is put them all around the house. My house is ready for visitors. Huh? What?
I want plants too. Good thing I can DIY my way through anything. I'll put a sponge in this box. Then I'll stick these cardboard flowers in it. It's looking more like a garden, isn't it? Wow! This seems like a good spot. All done, but I know what is missing. I lay a cardboard flat. Then I'll draw a bulb on it using a pen. Now I'll color it with a permanent marker. And voila! We have a bulb. But one is not enough for me. I have to make them in different colors. That way, my tiny home will be colorful. It's beautiful! Check this out!
I know what we're missing. A fence. Nothing beats a good old white picket fence. It's gonna look so good with the roses. Now, this is what I call a home.
She probably will notice if I take a piece. I'll give it back before she knows it. All I need to do is trace it on the cupboard. And we're done with phase 1. Thanks! That turned out pretty well. You can't even tell the difference. Pretty cute, huh?
You mean pretty awful. Thanks for showing me what not to do.
You want a fence, madam?
Gold. Install it.
As you wish. That'll be 10 grand.
Do you take gold?
Boy, do I?
Just take it.
All right, no take-backs.
Bye.
Hey!
Oh!
This isn't a dome, you know? Oh, you're not gonna survive this, mister. Yeah! These guys make a great pathway. I love it.
Genius. But I want my pathway to be gold. I'll sprinkle some gold magic dust on the path, and a golden pathway will appear. Great job. How about a test run? Oh, it's not perfect.
That was my chance. She won't know a thing. I gotta work fast if I want that expensive pathway too. Please, magic dust, work for me. It created a money pathway. It is everything I've ever dreamed of. Thank you.
I've got to fix that. Where is the tree? My dad's gonna be so mad.
Oh, poor girl. I have to help her. 911?
Whoops, the tree.
I didn't do anything.
It's what so? Well, see about that.
Yeah, you are not gonna find anything there.
What about on you? You better not be hiding anything in here. The tree.
Here you go.
Your tree, madam.
Thank you.
As for you, you'll be fined $1,000. Pay up.
It's not fair. $1,000? Is this a joke?
Whew, the weather is unbearable. I wish I had AC in here, but all I got are these sunnies. Now that's what I'm talking about. So, do you want to learn more study hacks? Then make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos.
Time for my daily dose of vitamin D. And how about I have fun in a ball pit while I'm at it? But first, sunbathing.
Wow, don't mind if I do.
Woohoo! What the? Get out of my pool! This is insane!
Why, you little... Whoa!
Please sign this!
Aw, sure.
Can we get a selfie? Over here! Quiet!
Sure, I'll sign this for you. Oh, wow, thank you.
I'm watching you.
Whatever. I'll give you something to watch. La 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 la, I'm working late cause I'm a singer.
What's going on?
La 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 la. You got something to say,
to keep
Blondie?
it down. Nobody wants to hear you sing.
Well, tough luck, Grandma.
What seems to be the problem? Officer, she's trespassing in my property.
I'd take a closer look if I were you.
Looking good so far. Fake? You were arrested for falsifying documents.
Subscribe!
Huh? Oh, a secret room. I have to check it. Here goes nothing. Wow! It's even better than I imagined.
Ew, I'm so unlucky. Wow! A mystery in my locker? A secret room? Cool! Let's check it out. Wow, neat!
Hey!
What are you doing
here? This is my room.
What? I found it first!
No! I found it first.
I stay here.
In your dream.
I got my portion and you got yours.
Hippity hoppity, stay of my property.
You want to help?
Huh? No thanks.
This guy is seriously getting on my nerves. Never mind, I'll do it myself. That's more like it. Let's grab a snack. Huh? No! Why? My stuff!
Loser. Time for a makeover. Oh,
What?
good. But it is still missing something. I know. Never send me a check. Nice. My radar for brokenness is going wild. Sit and watch. Rome wasn't built in one day, only because I wasn't around. Yeah, gold, spice, and everything nice. Meow. Good job, Tom. Perfect. Just a few finishing touches. Rise and shine. Looking like $1,000,000. On my level. I need more. Yes.
What is this guy doing? I need to peek there now. I can't reach it from here. Bummer. I know. Beware. Things might get a little rough. Almost ready? Now I will spy with my little eye. What is this guy doing?
Huh? I like it.
I need to do that. Huh? Really? Only $1? Wow, it's a leftover decoration. From? Wow, there are lights. Bingo. Good job, Casey. Let's make furniture. Just be careful with the box cutter, girl. You tend to be a little clumsy sometimes. Good. We connect it like that. And now time for a little cushion.
Casey! What?
See? I don't need money. Perfect.
Boys and girls in the same room? Not in my watch.
How could you do that?
What's going on here? This room is only for one person. Figure it out who will live here. I'll
Only
check
for one
soon.
person?
It will be
mine. Time for a prank. Good. She will definitely want to live.
Hey, can't you hear the knock?
My butler is not here today.
You got to be kidding me.
The little mouse right in the trap.
Huh? Hello? How is this happening? Who's there? Huh? Super suspicious. What? Hey! It's coming from here? Seriously?
Don't mess with me.
You
Greenpeace.
forced my hand, boy.
No, 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 no! Code green equipment, quick! Your cloud optimized won't get me.
Oh no!
What?
I like Greenpeace.
You know what, Casey? I'm having a party.
A party?
And you're not invited.
What? I have never missed a party.
What? Really? Casey, wake up! Casey, wake up, you windmill! Did it work? Did it work? Wake up! That's it. Hey, Casey! Okay, I got it. Got to put her on her side. Perfect. Sleeping like an angel. Finally. What?
Shh. trying to sleep.
What the? Oh, finally it's morning. Let me see my moneymaker. What? I can't go party like this. Makeup artist, come here. I guess I should do it by myself. Okay. Let's see what we are working with. Come here, you guys. It should help.
What should I do? Huh? Not today.
Oh, someone is not ready for the party.
We will see. Tinfoil on. Now let's step into my inner Picasso. Neat. I'm a genius. I should put it on. Steady hands, Casey, steady hands. Only one chance. I can't miss this one, please.
Namaste, sister.
It's all over now.
You're not going anyway.
We will see.
Who is the coolest? I need to change. No way I'm wearing it. What? Will it work? Nah. Cool one. The fur is fake. Go easy on me, Pata. The chain are dope too. Okay. It will be too hot. No. Let's do this. But it's the same outfit. I have nothing to wear.
I have to fix it. But how? Wait. Boom. Much better. Ouch. What's going on? The party has already started? Neat.
What are you doing here, Casey?
Hi. Can I join?
Let me see. No Casey, no Casey. Let's check this page too. Oh, sorry, you're not in the list. Blast off. Got her.
Hi, I'm Sue.
Are you really? I see what you are doing. Nice try, Casey. Sue is already here.
I want a bit to do.
Bye.